through the visual. Right now I am at the Nishama Una Park, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make the paper tube, which flies really well, by John Collins, and one also amazing airplane by John Collins, which is Suzanne. And you should know that John Collins was the world record holder, followed by Julian Chihu and Dylan Rubel. Hello guys, and I am going to be teaching you first how to make a paper tube by John Collins. First, you have to fold in such a way that you can see this distance is equivalent to this distance. It's really just a guess, so it is actually not a big deal if you get this wrong. Next you have to fold from the top, the bent side, till here. For the next step, you have to do that once again, here till here. And now you have to be sitting at a table for this, because now you are going to take your paper, flip it over, and rub the edge on a table like this. You have to rub until it's nice and bendy and it can stand up by itself. Next, you have to open the last fold you did, just like this. And now we are going to basically join these two together. I mean, basically make the circle. So you have to fold like this. So just curl it in preparation. And what you're trying to do here is placing this area under here. Just look, I'm just putting this under this area, just like that. If you want to take a look at that again, I'll show you. So here, this part inside here, fold, you can see inside. Now you can see you have this crease around this whole place. You just start folding in on it from everywhere. This might take you a while. It gets really rough, but at the end it becomes smooth. See? Now it is pretty smooth. Just, crease this out sometimes. Then make it round, the shape a little round, just by doing this. And yeah, this is it. This is the tube by John Collins. This is attempt 1.